In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a full-width image in Pagefly within just 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to enhance their Shopify store pages with stunning visuals that span the entire width of the screen. So, let's dive right in and make your online store more captivating and visually appealing. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Shopify website. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account. This is where you'll manage your online store and access the Pagefly application. Pagefly is a powerful tool that allows you to create customized pages for your Shopify store with ease. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pagefly editor. We'll start by creating a new section within your page. To do this, click on Sections, then select Create Blank Section. This blank canvas is where you'll place your full-width image. Now, let's take a look at the right sidebar in the Pagefly editor. Under the layout options, make sure that the content width is set to either full or max width. This is crucial for ensuring your image stretches across the entire page, giving that full-width effect. Next, we'll add an element to the section you just created. Click on Add Element, then navigate to Select Layout and choose Select Blank Block. Simply drag this blank block into your new section. This gives you a designated area to drop your image element into. Now, it's time to add the image itself. Click the Elements icon once again. From there, move to the Pagefly tab where you'll find the image element under the Media category. Drag and drop the image element right into your blank section. This is where your full-width image will live. Select the image element you've just placed on your page. On the Inspector panel that opens up, head over to the Content options and click on Select Image to upload the image you'd like to use. Make sure to choose an image that complements your store theme and enhances the overall look and feel. With your image uploaded, navigate to the Style tab. Here, under the Size section, locate the width settings and ensure it's selected to fill. This step ensures that your image stretches to cover the entire width of the screen, creating that seamless, eye-catching look. Finally, after making all these changes, don't forget to save and publish your page. This will put your new full-width image live on your Shopify store, allowing you and your visitors to enjoy the stunning visual as part of your page design. And there you have it. You've successfully added a full-width image to your Pagefly page. Make sure to explore further customization options within Pagefly to make each page of your Shopify store unique and inviting. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.